If you want to connect a GoDaddy domain to Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can point your domain to Bluehost without confusion. This is a really useful setup if you already bought your domain from GoDaddy but want to host your website on Bluehost. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps all the sites connected to your account, so it's the right place to start. Next, find the website you want to connect your GoDaddy domain to and click Manage Site. This opens the settings for that specific website, which is important if you have more than one site on your account. Now go to the Overview tab. In this area, you should see an option that says Connect Domain. Click that to begin the domain connection process. After that, Bluehost may show you a list of domains already associated with your account. If your GoDaddy domain is not listed there, click User Domain Not Listed. This tells Bluehost that you want to connect a domain from another registrar. From the next options, select Connect External Domain. This is the key step that lets Bluehost know you are using a domain purchased somewhere else, like GoDaddy. Now enter your GoDaddy domain name carefully. Make sure it's typed correctly without any extra spaces or mistakes. Then click Submit to continue. After submitting the domain, click Connect to Website. Bluehost will now move you into the connection flow and start preparing the domain setup. At this point, Bluehost may offer entry as part of the connection process. If you see that option, choose GoDaddy as your registrar. This helps Bluehost identify where your domain is managed so it can connect properly. Then, sign into your GoDaddy account when prompted. You'll likely need to authorize the connection so Bluehost can work with your domain settings. This authorization is what allows the two platforms to communicate and complete the setup. Once you approve it, return to Bluehost and wait for the connection to finish. Depending on the domain and DNS changes, this may take a few minutes to process. In some cases, it can take a bit longer, so be patient and let the system complete everything. When Bluehost shows that the domain is connected or pointed successfully, that means the setup is complete. At that point, your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Bluehost website, and you're ready to move on to building or publishing your site. If you ran into any issues during the process, double check that you entered the correct domain, that you signed into the right GoDaddy account, and that the connection was fully approved. Those small details usually solve most problems. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Bluehost step by step. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.